Geometric distribution. To explain geometric distribution, let me solve this example first. What is the probability of getting the first 6 on the fourth row using a 6-sided die? If we have die and we throw this die 4 times, what is the probability of getting first 6 on the fourth? First 6 on the fourth. This means
not 6, not 6, but in 6.
Yes, you are right. So to getting 6 at the fourth, this means you didn't get 6 at the first or second or third. So you get 6 at the fourth. So not 6, then 6. Probability of not 6, 5 over 6. Multiply 5 over 6. Because and multiply 5 over 6. Then the last one, multiply 1 over 6. Probability of getting 6. So 5 over 6 power 3. Because we have 3 failed, 3 unsuccess, then multiply 1 over 6. This is called geometric distribution. Geometric distribution as binomial, we have 2 outcomes, or we can consider 2 outcomes: success and failure. Probability of success we'll call B. Probability of failure will 1 minus B, which is Q. Probability, the main rule for geometric distribution, probability of the first success after R tries or after R attempts equal Q power R minus 1, because not for how many times? For R minus 1. Then at the last one, probability of B. So probability of the first success after R tries equal Q power R minus 1 times B. Or we can write in a different way: probability of X equal R. So this means probability of success will be in R, in R equal Q power R minus 1 times B. For geometric distribution, we have expectation and we have variance. The mean for geometric distribution equal 1 over B. We can stand for geometric distribution by G and B. The mean for geometric distribution 1 over B. Variance 1 over B times 1 minus 1 over B. Sigma square root over variance. And probability of X less than or equal X equal 1 minus Q power X. Probability of X more than X equals Q power X. These are all the rules for geometric distribution. Let me take examples. Number 2. Read number 2.
15% of all cars passing along a certain road are blue. What is the probability that the 7th car will be the first blue car that you see passing along this road?
So probability of getting blue is 15%. So B equal 0.15. So Q equal 1 minus 0.15, which is 0.85. Probability, what is the probability that the 7th car will be the first blue?
R equals 7.
Yes, probability of X equals 7. So this means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, not blue.
And 7th blue.
So 0.85 power 6 times 0.15. Then we can find the answer. 0.0566. Read 3.
4% of the population in a small town work as a teacher. What is the probability that the 10% that you encounter in this town is a teacher? And calculate mean, variance, and standard deviation.
So for A, probability that the first 10th person, probability that the 10th person is the first, is a teacher. So A, for A, B equal 0.04 Q
0.96.
0.96. So probability of X equal 10 equal 0.96 bar 9
times 0.04.
times 0.04. Then we can find answer
0.0277.
0.0277. For B, variance equal first mean equal 1 over B. So 1 divides 0.04, so 25. Variance 1 over B times 1 over B minus 1, so 25 times 24 equals 600. Then sigma equal square root equals 24.5. 4.
2% of all tires produced by a company XYZ have a defect. A random sample of 100 tires is tested for quality assurance. What is the probability that the 8th tire selected has a defect?
Let me solve A first. A, B equal what?
0.02.
2%, so 0.02. So Q equal 0.98. Now, to solve A, what is the probability that the 8th tire has a defect? The 8th tire. So probability of X equal 8 equal
0.02 to the power 7.
0.98 bar 7 times 0.02. Just for A. 0.0174. Read B.
What is the probability that the first defect is identified among the first 5 samples?
Among the first 5. Among the first 5, maybe first, second, third. So, or this means probability of X less than or equal 5. We have a rule for this one, which is 1 minus Q bar 5. We have a rule for this if X, and we can solve in a long way. Probability of X equal 1, X equal 2, X equal 3, X equal 4, X equal 5, but this is easier. 1 minus Q bar 5, so 1 minus 0.98 bar 5. 0.096. So C, read C again.
What is the probability that the first defect is detected among the first 10 samples?
So X less than, probability of X less than or equal 10. So by the same way, 1 minus Q bar 10. So 1 minus 0.98 bar 10. 0.183. You read D?
How many tires would you expect to test until you find the first defective one?
Expected number means mean. So he needs the mean. How to find the mean? 1 over P. So D mean expectation 1 over B. So 1 divided 0.02, which is 50.